Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to edit the password on a page in Wix. This is particularly useful when you want to update security on specific pages of your website, whether it's for client access, member-only content, or any private section that requires controlled entry. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. To begin, open your browser and head over to the Wix website. Once you're there, log into your Wix account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. Look at the left navigation menu and locate the option labeled Site and Mobile App. Click on it and a drop-down selection will appear, giving you access to various site management options. From this menu, take a moment to preview the website settings that are displayed. This step is important to ensure that you're working on the correct website, especially if you manage multiple sites under your Wix account. Double-check that this is indeed the website where you want to edit the password on a page before proceeding further. Once you've confirmed you're on the right site, look toward the top part of your screen and locate the Design Site button. This button is typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on Design Site to move forward. This action will redirect you to the Wix website editor screen, where all the design and page management tools are available. Now that you're in the editor, focus on the left navigation menu again. Here, you need to find and click on the Pages and Menu button. Clicking this will expand the Pages and Menu window, revealing a complete list of all the pages currently on your Wix website. This is where you'll manage individual page settings. Scroll through the list and locate the specific page where you wish to edit the password. Once you've found it, hover your cursor over that page. You'll notice a three-dot icon or More Actions menu appear. Click on those three dots and a settings window will pop up. From the options presented, click on Settings to access the detailed configuration for that page. You're now in the Page Settings area. Look for the Permissions section and click on it. This section controls who can access the page and under what conditions. Within the permission settings, you'll see an option labeled Password Holder. Click on that option and immediately a Set Password field will appear on your screen. Simply type in your new password in this field to update it. Make sure your password is strong and memorable, or store it securely if it's for client or team access. And that's it. You've successfully edited the password for a specific page on your Wix website, giving you better control over who can view your private content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.